Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting the essentials ready. Update your iPhone and verify the TV supports AirPlay or a compatible receiver. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Using 5 GHz reduces lag. Make sure the TV is on and set to the screen mirroring or AirPlay input so it's discoverable. Now, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center, because the next step is to initiate mirroring from your phone. Open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Your iPhone will scan for nearby AirPlay receivers. Select the TV name that matches your device. If a 4-digit code appears on the TV, type it into your phone to confirm. Once connected, choose Audio Output in the same control panel to route sound to the TV. If an app shows black bars or wrong orientation, adjust the app's display settings or rotate the phone. Doing this fixes most aspect ratio mismatch. To end mirroring, open Control Center again and tap Stop Mirroring or press the TV's remote exit. If you notice lag, stuttering, or frequent dropouts, first reduce distance to the router and restart Wi-Fi on both devices. Toggling Bluetooth can help discovery issues. As a final troubleshooting tip, update the TV firmware and iPhone iOS. Outdated software often breaks AirPlay. If wireless still fails, use a Lightning HDMI adapter for a direct wired connection that bypasses network problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.